Look at me for a minute. You didn't go in the freezer? No? Where'd you get the ice from?
Freezer.
Well, I thought you just said you didn't go in the freezer. Did you eat a cake? You didn't. Look at me. Look at me. What's that crumb doing right there by your eye? Huh? Not that eye. The other one. What's that? What is that? It's not a booger.
Cookie cake.
It's a cookie cake? I thought you just said you didn't get a cookie cake. How did it get there? Did it jump out at you? And you just had to eat it? Did you eat one? Look at me. Did you eat one?
I think it's a fish.
You ate a little bit?
You eat.
You ate a little one?